Welcome to News Analysis. Today morning on 10th of August, PM of India has inaugurated submarine optical fiber cable between Chennai and Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is expected that it will increase and enhance the speed of internet there. It provides bandwidth of 2 cross 200 Gbps between Chennai and Port Blair, while between the islands of this archipelago, it will get 2 cross 100 Gbps of speed or the bandwidth. The total length of this cable is around 2300. It's 2200 written here because that was tentative and this data has been taken from tender which was 1 or 2 years back. So the most of the length is between Chennai to Port Blair, and this will be an a repeated meter kind of cable, and this all will get unrepeated kind of cable which are for shorter use. So it is expected that submarine cable connectivity will provide a better service in terms of e-governance, tourism and information technology. It will also be beneficial for consumers and beneficial for strategic and governance reasons. It is expected that economy and standard of living would be raised. It will provide boost to tourism and employment generation. E-commerce, educational and telemedicine are to be enhanced by these services. And then BPO, medium or large enterprises are expected to be benefited. It was funded by Government of India through Universal Service Obligation Fund under Department of Telecommunication, that is under Ministry of Communication. BSNL executed this project with the help of Japanese NEC Corporation, which provided it design, engineering, supply, install, testing and implementation part of the cable system. Telecommunication Consultant India Limited acted as technical consultant for this. So world over, India now has been connected with already has been connected through submarine cable. This is the map sourced by submarinecable.com. Mumbai as one of the hotspot and then Chennai as another hotspot are connects India through the throughout the world. Now submarine cable has in fact 99% share in the internet services, and so if we look at the construction of submarine cable, there are almost 8 layers inside the cable. The first layer is polyethylene. Second is mylar. Third is these are steel wires. Then fourth is the aluminum water barrier. Fifth is polycarbonate. Sixth is copper or aluminum tube. And then after, petroleum jelly is mixed to form then the innermost layer will be for optical fibers. If we come to the world map showing how the cables are connected, how the world is connected through cables, submarine cables, we can easily say that this transatlantic, and then between this is for Pacific Ocean, this is for Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so all over the world is in fact connected with a submarine cable, and this is not a new concept. The first submarine cable was laid in 1850s, while telegraph lines were laid out. So this is all for today.